What is up, guys? How are you doing, guys? Okay, I'm back. All right, guys, I'm back. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna be talking on mitigation block in the market. Okay, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to trade mitigation blocks in the market, guys. Do you get me? One of the reasons why you've been struggling with trading is simply because you don't know some of the concepts of trading which gives results. Okay, which yield a better result in the chart. Do you get me? That's one of the reasons why you've been missing some trades. I mean, you've been saying trading is hard because you don't really know some of the concepts, some of the strategies in which we use to navigate the market and make money in the market, guys. Do you get me? So in today's video, guys, I'll be exposing this strategy for you guys so that when you get your chart, you just make money for yourself. Do you get me? So guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys everything about mitigation block, guys. Do you get me? So stick to the end of this video right now. Stick to the end of it. Watch it to the end for a better understanding for yourself. You get me? After the end of this video, guys, you'll be able to use mitigation block in the market and make some cool cash for yourself on the chart. Do you get me? So before I proceed, guys, let me give you guys a detailed explanation on what mitigation block is. Okay? Mitigation block in the market, it occurs on the chart when the bigger institutions, when they want to finish up their positions in the market. Do you get me? Sometimes on the chart, when the big banks, okay, when they have entered the market, okay, when they have entered some positions in the market, they usually comes back to the chart. They usually comes back in the market to finish up their positions in the market. Do you get me? So that's it, guys. For now, guys, okay. So I'm going to give you guys a big picture. I mean, we're gonna picture in your mind about mitigation block. Do you get me? So on the chart, whenever it comes to the chart, okay, then you see the chart makes this kind of move in the market. Okay, the market goes up this way. Do you get me, guys? When it goes up this way right now, then comes down this way. Do you get me, guys? Okay, then fail to touch the previous high in which it has created. Can you see that? When it fails to touch the previous high in which it has created by making this move right now and makes this move again. Can you see this move, guys? Okay, this move right now. Now when it makes this move, it didn't touch this recent high it's created. Do you get me? Then start pushing downward. Can you see that? And pushes downward like this right now. Can you see that, guys? Okay, and pushes downward. Then what you're gonna do right now, just for you to wait for the market to really touch this zone again. Okay, when it taps into the zone again, this same zone, do you get me? Then you push to the downside. Can you see that, guys? Okay, so this is, let me mark the mitigation block so you see it for yourself. So this is the zone where the mitigation block is. All right, do you see that, guys? So this right now, these are a bearish mitigation block on the chart. Do you get me? So let me give you guys a clue on this, because most people they go about replacing mitigation block with breaker blocks in the market. Do you get me, guys? There is a clear difference between mitigation block and breaker blocks in the market. Do you get me? So mitigation block, this is it right now. This diagram I just shown you guys right now. This diagram right now I drew on my chart. This just the plain picture of mitigation block on the chart. Do you get me? So over here right now, let me show you the difference between a breaker block and a mitigation block, guys. Okay, so let me give you a picture of a breaker block in the market. So when you see it, guys, you'll be able to differentiate what's the difference between a mitigation block and a breaker block in the market. All right, do you get me, guys? So the clear difference between a mitigation block and a breaker block. So let me give you this diagram right now so you won't be confused. When the market makes kind of move right now, guys, when it goes up this way, can you see that, guys? Then comes down all over this zone right now. Okay, comes down this way, then broke a structure, broke structure. Can you see that, guys? And broke a structure over here right now, then comes down all over here right now by invalidating this other block right here. Okay, because in breaker blocks normally we have other block on this zone. There is an other block on this zone. Do you get me? So this move over here right now that came drastically to clear this, to invalidate this other block. Okay, when the move invalidates the other block on this zone right now, then you get to the next thing for you to do, just to wait for the market to tap on this zone. When it taps into this zone again, then you strike downwards. Do you get me, guys? Then you strike downwards. All right, so this is the clear difference between a bearish breaker block and a bearish mitigation block. The difference is that can you hear me? The difference is just that on a breaker block, okay, on the side of a breaker block, the market is gonna break structure. Can you see that right now, guys? Let me mark this level over here right now. Can you see this? The market broke a structure before invalidating the other block. Can you see that, guys? But on the side of the mitigation block, guys, you get to see the market is not gonna break any structure. Okay, it's going to fail to tap on the recent high in which it created. Do you get that? So this is the clear difference between a mitigation block and a breaker block. Do you get me? So that's it for now, guys. All right, as you've seen for yourself right now, let me go to the chart to really show you how this concept really works on the market. Because when you see it on the chart, it's gonna you're not gonna see it clearly as a newbie. You're not gonna see it clearly, guys. Okay, but when I show you this right now on the chart, you're gonna picture a great scenario on the chart. Do you get me? So over here right now, this on the chart, can you see this right now? This is chart right now. Can you see that? As you can see over here right now, the market came all the way to this zone. Can you see this, guys? Okay, it came all the way to this zone and pushes up here. Can you see that, guys? Then came downwards over here right now. It came downwards right now. Can you see this, guys? Okay, then it failed to tap on this zone right now. Okay, it failed to tap on this zone. It taps on this zone, then pushes downward. Can you see that? Let me give you the move. Then pushes downward all over here right now. Can you see that, guys? Okay, remember I told you guys that this zone this is where the mitigation block is. Let me mark it. This is the mitigation block, right? That's the mitigation block. Can you see that, guys? So all you have to do right now, just for you to wait for the market to revisit this zone again. Can you see that it goes up and taps the zone again, then it pushes downwards? Okay, so that's it, guys. As you've seen for yourself right now, this is how it works, guys. Do you get me? So the market has to revisit. The market has to tap on the zone again. This zone where I call it the mitigation block. This is the zone where the mitigation block is, guys. Do you get me? So when it taps the zone, okay, next thing just for you to set your orders on this zone right now, on this zone, then target downwards, because this strategy is really massive, guys. It's a massive one. Okay, this strategy right now has made me a whole lot of money on the chart, guys. I'll tell you the truth. Do you get me? Okay, so this is how it works on the charts. So get to practice it, backtest it, and make money on the chart. I'm gonna show you guys some other scenarios on the chart. So when you see it, guys, on the chart, you make use of it and make money in the market. Do you get me, guys? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys one of this advice, because most newbies out there, most newbies in the game, they go all about making crazy mistakes for themselves on the chart. Do you get me? Because most traders, one of my mentees out there, I've been mentoring him for some time right now. Then he told me that he has failed in trading multiple times because of some reasons like that. Do you get me? He told me that he failed trading because of some reasons like that. Do you get me? When he started trading, he's been using indicators to trade. Okay, he didn't understand anything about market structure and price action and all that. I must tell you this right now, guys. Okay, if you are new to this game, all this stuff they're gonna tell you on social media that this indicator, this made me a whole lot of money. Do you get me? They're gonna tell you this indicator, this, that indicators, there are a whole lot of it. Do you get me? That's not it. As a newbie, guys, when you are new in trading, guys, the first thing you get to start with is to master your market structure, guys. Do you get me? Like this diagram I just displayed right now, this diagram I showed you guys, these some of the market structures that you need to know about in trading, guys. Do you get me? You need to know about all these market structures right now before you start thinking of implementing indicators on the chart. Do you get me? Because market structures, guys, that's the number one foundation of trading, guys. Okay, that's the foundation of trading. If you don't understand that, guys, I don't know what you're doing over there. Okay, I don't know what you're doing there. You just are wasting your time. Do you get me? So what you really need to do is that I need to understand how this market environment really works, guys. Okay, you need to understand how it really works. Okay, do you get me? So I'm gonna show you guys some other scenarios on the charts, so you won't be missed out on the game. Okay, you won't be missed out. So whenever you see this on the chart, get to make use of it and make money for yourself, guys. There's no time. Do you get me? All right, guys, I believe that this illustration I gave you guys right now, I believe is pretty much self-explanatory, right? Okay, with this stuff I just showed you guys right now, I think you should use it and navigate your way in the market very well. Right? Okay, so guys, there are two types of mitigation blocks in the market, right? There are two types of mitigation blocks in the market, guys. We have the bullish mitigation blocks and the bearish mitigation block, right? So this illustration I gave you guys right now, this is the bearish mitigation block. Do you get me? So guys, like I told you earlier, I'm gonna show you guys some of other scenarios in the market so that you won't get confused, guys. Because if you're a newbie, if you don't know anything about this concept, guys, even if you spend 10 hours on your chart, guys, you're not gonna find the pattern, guys. It's very hard to find in the market. Do you get me? So that's why I'm showing you guys this on the chart, so that when you get your own chart, you're gonna do the same thing and make money. All right? So guys, let's go backward, guys. Let me show you a scenario whereby we have a bullish mitigation block. Remember, guys, I told you guys this scenario I displayed right now, this is the bearish mitigation block, right? So guys, let's go backward. Let me show you guys a scenario where we have a bullish mitigation block. All right, guys, so that's it now. Can you see this, guys? Let me give you the diagram so you're gonna see it, guys. When the market makes this kind of move on the chart, guys, okay, when the market comes down this way, do you get me? When it comes down this way, then goes up this way right now. Can you see that, guys? Then failed to tap the recent low in which it created, thereby creating a higher high. Do you get me? Okay, it failed to tap into this zone right now. Okay, thereby tapping into this zone. Do you get me? Okay, so the next thing you get to do, you get to push upwards, okay, by invalidating this zone over here. To push upward, because obviously the mitigation block is on this zone, guys. Do you get me? It's on this zone. I'm gonna mark it very soon, right? So you're gonna go up this way. You're going to go up this way, then come down, then comes down all over to this zone again, okay, to really revisit this zone again. Then it start pushing upward. Do you get me? It start pushing upward. Okay, all right, that's it, guys. Don't go and take this pattern right now as a trending market. Yeah, obviously this is a trending market, but this quite different from what you're thinking in your mind, right? This is quite different from it. This is the mitigation block, guys. Do you get me? And this strategy right now is pretty much It's pretty much explanatory on the chart. Do you get me? So this is how you're gonna see it on your chart. The pattern, this is how you're gonna see it, guys. Do you get me? So when you see this, this zone I'm gonna mark right now, this zone over here, guys, this is where you're gonna find the mitigation block. Okay, you're gonna mark the two candlestick that closed for this impulse move. Let me show you. I'm gonna mark the two candlestick that closed. Okay, obviously when it taps to this zone, two candlestick, they're gonna close. Okay, so you're gonna mark the two candlestick and check it out. Then when the market taps into the zone again, when it drops and visit the zone again, you're gonna start pushing upwards, guys. Do you get me? So this is how the structure is gonna look alike. This is how it's going to look on your chart, guys. This is the pattern for it. Do you get me? So let's go to the chart. Let me show you this, guys, so you won't be confused. Do you get me? Okay, so on the chart right now, on this zone I just marked right now, guys, this is it. Let me show you how it's gonna look on your chart, how you're gonna see it on your chart. Because if you don't know this before, I mean, you're not gonna see it clearly on the chart. Even if you take hours on the chart, even if you take 5 hours, 10 hours on the chart, you might find it hard to identify the pattern on your chart. Do you get that, guys? So let me show you. This is it right now. So the market was trending downwards. Okay, came down all over to this zone, guys, then goes up this way. Can you see that, guys? Okay, then the price failed to tap into the recent low that it created. Price failed to tap into this zone right now. Price went all over here and tapped this zone. Do you get me? Can you see that, guys? Then after tapping the zone, it pushes upward over here right now. Pushes upward. Do you get that? Then when it pushes upward, you're gonna revisit this zone again, the mitigation block, then start pushing upward. Remember I told you guys that this is the mitigation block. You can as well mark it as the, you can as well mark it this way, because this is the zone where you can find the two candlesticks that closed on this high right now. Can you see that? So this is the mitigation block, obviously. So when you mark it all over here right now, do you get me? So you're gonna be expecting the price to tap into the zone again, then you start pushing upward. All right, when it taps into the zone again, then you take it to the up. All right, you're gonna set your positions, your orders on this zone right now. This one I've just marked, guys. This strategy right now is pretty much explanatory, guys. It's not hard. Okay, what you just have to do just for you to practice with time. Okay, keep practicing it, then you're gonna be good with it. Do you get me? Even if you take this strategy right now, take it as the only pattern in which you're gonna be trading in the market, guys. This pattern right now is occurs almost every day on the charts. Okay, it occurs almost every day on your charts. So when you keep practicing it all the time, I mean, you're gonna be making an edge for yourself with this particular pattern on the chart, guys. Okay, do you get me? I will always say this, guys. Okay, patience is the key in any market you trade in, guys. Patience is the key. Do you get me? Because if you're not patient enough, guys, to see your pattern clearly on the chart before you execute your trade, okay, you're gonna be making some crazy losses for yourself, and it makes no sense, guys. Do you get me? It doesn't make any sense. All right, so you have to be patient enough for you to see the pattern clearly, guys. Once you see it clearly, okay, then you dive into your trade. Do you get me? Remember I told you guys that breaker blocks and mitigation block, they look alike on the chart. Okay, so if you are getting this confused, I taught breaker blocks in one of my videos out there. Do you get me? So you can go back as well and watch it, guys. Watch it very well, then for you to be able to watch it very well, for you to be able to understand how the concept work. Do you get me? So that's it for now. I should be done with this video right now. This should be the end of the video right now. Okay, so if you like how this video was really simple and really quick, guys, this channel you see over here, this big bullish FX, guys. Do you get me? So what I do here, guys, I share my analysis for everyone to see for themselves. Okay, if you've been watching me earlier, what I do here, I display my charts for everyone. I show you how to make a way for yourself on the charts, how to make money in the market. So if that interests you guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, and share to your friends out there. Do you get me? Subscribe, like this video right now, and share it to your friends out there. Do you get me? So thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate that. Thank you very much.